Want to lock your Apple Watch during a workout? In this video, I will walk you through the process. But before we do it, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share it with your friends. Now, start by opening the workout app on your Apple Watch. Choose any workout activity, like an outdoor walk. When you're ready, tap the Ready button to begin your workout. Your watch will start tracking key stats, such as your average pace, heart rate, and more. While you're working out, you can enable water lock from the control center on your Apple Watch. This feature helps prevent accidental touches caused by sweat or water. If you want to turn off water lock at any time, just press and hold the digital crown until it disengages. Once it's off, you can interact with the screen normally and end your workout whenever you like. That's it. Now you know how to lock your Apple Watch during a workout. If this helped, feel free to ask for more tips anytime. See you in the next one.